Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. Hey girl, hey. Bow chicka wow wow, chicka wow wow. I'm just kidding. Alright you guys, so for today's video, you can tell by the title of what today's video is going to be about. So, I'm not going to keep you guys here too long. Hopefully this is not a long video. I am the queen of long videos. Anyway, you guys, so for today's video, I am testing out a few new products here and there. Some sponges, a color corrector, and of course, a new palette by Profusion. Now, this is not technically new, but it's new to me. It was new, I think, this year or last year. I have not played with this one yet, so we are going to jump into that and do a little blue look, as you guys can see. Hope that you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and hello to all of the new subscribers. Welcome. I hope that you guys are enjoying my channel thus far. If you have any questions or anything, please just sound off in the comments below, and yeah, I'd be happy to answer those for you. Go ahead and grab your guys self a snack and a drink, and as always, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so getting into the first thing, I'm actually going to try something new. As you guys know, if you've been following me, I don't really color correct. But when I did my full face of city color, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here or here, wherever it goes. They sent me this Photo Chic color correcting palette. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I haven't used it yet because, as I said, I don't really color correct. I have tried color correcting on my under eyes and stuff with like yellow and peach, and I do like it. So I thought to myself, let's go ahead and test out their formula. So I'm just going to take a brush, and I'm going to start off with my, ooh, I love clean brushes. I forgot I put clean brushes in here. So we're going to start off with the peach shade just under my eye. I'm going to feel it first. Ooh, it feels nice and creamy. Like, you know how some will feel kind of greasy in that when they're cheaper products? This does not feel like that. Okay, so it didn't really do much with my finger. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm just swirling it in here. Do you guys color correct? If you do, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you use. I would love to know. Because some people do it and it just looks so gorgeous on their skin. Like, you can't even see what they color corrected. I don't know, I guess the reason that I don't do it is I feel like it's an extra step. And I'm happy with the coverage that my foundation and concealer give me. You know, I love full coverage, but some days I'm just a medium coverage kind of girl, and I'm okay with that. You know, I have imperfections on my skin, and I can't hide everything all the time. So I don't really feel like the peach shade is doing much for me. I did take it in with a sponge and also with the brush. So I'm going to try my finger into the yellow shade and see if that kind of helps out. And I'm really pressing kind of hard in here to get quite a bit of pigment. Now the yellow shade came off really well. So let's see what happens. It could be because I'm rubbing it because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I really don't like the formula of this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move into my foundation and concealer. I'm not using anything new. Now, the only thing that I did pick up another shade of the Believe Beauty, and I picked it up in Natural Tan, and the reason I did that, I got tired of mixing. The other one I will be able to use full on by itself, no mixing, when summer comes and I get my little tan going on. But this one will match me now, so I did pick that up. I don't like this so far. I'm gonna have to play around with it some more when I'm just like, I don't know. Actually, let's try this darker shade out down here, because maybe I just don't like it on my under eye. Now, I do have a lot of scarring on this cheek right in here, and this drives me absolutely crazy. Yeah, I don't see where it's really correcting anything. I don't know if you guys can see my acne still peeking through. There's not a lot of coverage to this. So I mean, I tried 3 colors. I'm gonna have to say this is a pass for me. And you guys know I love City Color products, but this, I had a feeling it just wasn't gonna be for me. So maybe I'll give it to somebody that I know that color corrects. So I will be right back. I'm gonna do my brows, my foundation and concealer off camera, and also my setting powder. And when we come back, y'all know I had to do it, and I have some more Profusion products on the way. I also picked up a few products to go in the giveaway because we're getting really close to 200, so I'm excited. All right, you guys, I will be back after I apply my foundation and concealer. All right, you guys, my base and everything is on. I think I went a little ham with my blush, but you know what? I'm digging it. I love it. So, really quickly, if you guys watch Juicy Jazz, I know I'm always talking about her. Again, one of my favorite YouTubers. She's always raving about this 3-pack of sponges, particularly this black sponge from Dollar General. But I don't know if she's actually showed the package. So to those of you that are Juicy Jazz fans and you're curious about this, you can get this 3-pack of blending sponges in this package right here at Dollar General. And it comes with this really nice black sponge. This is super nice. Like, it's very squishy after you wet it. When you first take it out, it feels a little firm and you're like, oh hell no girl, hold up. But yeah, once you wet it, it gets really super squishy. And then you also get 2 other sponges. Now I have not used these yet. I believe these are for contouring because it says Correct and Contour blending sponges. And again, this is what the package looks like. I believe these were under $3 for 3 sponges. But again, you guys, after you wet these, they get really squishy. This did not suck up a ton of my makeup, so I was all like, yeah. It was super nice. I actually did my entire base with this. And I will show you guys me applying my base with this in another video. But I did want to go ahead and show it to you. I'm loving the black sponge so far. So, all right, you guys know how I do my eye videos. We're gonna do a 1 eye on camera and 1 eye off. This should be a super fast video, I'm hoping. But yeah, we're getting ready to play with the Sultry palette. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the eyeshadow brush out, and we're gonna get into this beautiful bad boy right here. I'm super excited. I've wanted this palette for quite a while. It's not new, but it is one of their $10 palettes, and I actually found this one at my local Walmart. Surprising enough. But yeah, we do have another Profusion video coming again, like I mentioned earlier this month. So I hope you guys are not all Profusioned out. If you've been following me for a while, you do know that Profusion is one of my favorite all-time super stupid affordable brands. Like, it is stupid how affordable they are. And I also really quick want to note that I did find some hard to find and maybe like throwback Profusion items. If you go to samsbeauty.com, that is a company that I've shopped through for years, and I was like, hold the phone. They have a ton of Profusion products that are very hard to find. You cannot find them on their website anymore. Like nail polishes, other eyeshadow palettes, like what I started out using when I started using Profusion many moons ago. They also have lipsticks, lip glosses, more of like the pro beauty books that are not available on the Profusion website. So my thought is that these are items that Profusion no longer manufactures and sells, but you can still get them on Sam's Beauty. I will leave their website down below if you want to check it out. They are super affordable. Sam's Beauty has wigs, they have ethnic hair care, they have bath and body that you can't get anymore. They have, girl, they have all kinds of stuff. They have jewelry, makeup, and they have a lot of really awesome deals like buy one, get one free. They have sales galore. So again, I will put their website down below. We're gonna go ahead and get into the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna zip it. so this is the final look that I came up with. I know the lips and stuff probably don't match. What I went in with was some Maybelline lipsticks. You guys know I love my Maybelline. I started out with the shade number 555 in Naked Coral, which is just this really pretty naked coral color, and that's what it looks like. And then I followed up in the middle with 655 Daringly Nude, which I love. And then I topped it with my Jordana lip gloss here in the shade Cosmic Opal, which I just thought it was really pretty. I've got some cosmic going on in the inner corner here. I will leave the shade names for the Sultry palette that I used down below as always. You guys, if I ever forget to put anything down in the description box, please, please, please let me know. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to zoom in and show you the rest of the look, but this is the palette that I use. I think it's really, really pretty. Same formula as all of the other Profusion palettes, so I am not disappointed. Let me bring you guys in just a little bit. Alright, so this is what I came up with. It's not perfect. I did make some mistakes over here, but I'm still going to go rock this out in public. I love it. I think it's really pretty. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a different video. I don't know. I kind of felt like a different vibe today for some reason. Not really sure what that was all about, but nonetheless, I enjoyed filming for you guys as always. What is up to the new subscribers? You guys, say hello down in the comments. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. We are not shy here. We love to chat, have a good time. The girls love to talk as well. So I'm really fortunate to have such great subscribers. Fortunately, we are almost at 200, which is amazing. I still don't know what to say about that. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, I have been blessed thus far not to have to deal with any trolls or bullies. Though I know I do have a few girls that no matter what happens will have my back. So I've just been really fortunate, and I appreciate it because I just want to keep the vibes on my channel positive. I want this to be a place where women can just come hang out together, have their coffee, play with makeup, you know, talk about makeup back and forth, what new products you're trying, and all of that. So let's continue to keep this a positive channel and, you know, just enjoy each other's company, each other's conversation, all of that. So again, welcome you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. It sounds like Nick's mowing the grass, which means we got the mower fixed. Woohoo! Woo woo! Again, positive vibes. So I'm gonna go take him something to drink. It is kind of warm here today in Illinois, and I am getting off on another subject. So I will see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I tell you guys all the time that I can't tell you how much I appreciate you enough, and that is very, very true. So I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any recommendations of new products to try, please sound off in the comments down below. Now, keep in mind, I am still on a strict budget right now. I'm actually supposed to be on a no-buy, but I will tell you guys, I did not do very well. I did not do very well. So we will be having some new videos with some new products coming in very, very soon. And yeah, be on the lookout for that. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as that little bell notification so that you are notified each time I upload, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. Bye, guys.